we want to look at measurement, and specifically we want to look at length, converting the units of length. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed, please touch the subscribe button as we continue. It's very easy to convert the units of length from one unit to another. For instance, we have this: convert 7 kilometers. Convert 7 kilometers into meters. It is easier than you think. Converting 7 kilometers into meters, you can say 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. What about 7 kilometers? You count 7 kilometers times 1000 meters over 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. What about 7 kilometers? You see, you come and multiply 7 kilometers times 1000 meters. 7 kilometers times 1000 meters over 1 kilometer. So after that, you can simplify like this, so that you can have 7 times 1000 meters. So you will have what? 7000 meters. So that is our example 2. Convert 250 centimeters into meters. How do you do this? It is very simple. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. What about 250 centimeters? You see, centimeters and centimeters are on the same side. So 250 centimeters are equal to how many meters? So once you do that, you come and do this: 250 over 100 centimeters times 1 meter. Now you cancel the centimeters. You remain with 250 over 100. So this cancel, and this one, this 0 and this 0 cancels out, so that we have 25 over 10. This 0 moves the decimal point once here, so that we have 2.5 meters. Okay, so that's how we convert centimeters into meters. So we have example 3. A rope is 3 meters and 50 centimeters long. Express the length in centimeters. What do? We come and say we have our length we have here is 3 meters and 50 centimeters long. We are supposed to convert it into centimeters. So what do? We come and convert this 3 meters into centimeters. So we come and say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. What about 3 meters? So we say it is 3 meters over 1 meter times 100 centimeters. So we cancel out the meter. Then we have 3 times 100. What do we have? That is 300 centimeters. Then after that, we can say we have 50 centimeters here. So the length of that rope is 300 centimeters plus 50 centimeters. So the total will be what? 350 centimeters. Up to that point, I want to give an assignment. That is our assignment for today on length. We will do more other tutorials on length later. Thank you so much.